everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today we're making another old-time Bajan recipe with peas. We're making dove peas. Now, dove peas are not a type of pea, it is a method used to just add so much flavor to these peas. The only caveat is we only use green peas to make dove peas. Now, I have fond memories of shelling green peas as a child. We would always pick the green peas and then we took our time, opened them up, and the pea that fell out was a nice green pea. It's a popular dish that we use at Christmas time, green peas and rice. But many years ago, Barbadians and other persons in the Caribbean not only used dove peas to make their green peas and rice, in that they did the dove peas and added the rice to it and cooked it up all together, but they also did the dove peas as a side dish. It is so delicious. So let's go over the ingredients to see how we're going to make dove peas. We have 2 cups of green peas. Now, if you have your green peas fresh, they're going to be beautiful and green. But if you have a whole set of them, you can keep them in the freezer for a couple of weeks and they're going to remain fresh. Once you defrost them, then you can use them. 2 cups of green peas. Then we have half of a sweet pepper, quarter of a sweet pepper yellow, and a quarter of a sweet pepper red. We have half of 1 onion. We have half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. We have 1 tablespoon of Bajan seasoning, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup or ragu sauce if you have ragu sauce. And we have oil for sautéing. This is a really simple recipe. Over a small pan, we are going to pour the oil. Some persons sometimes use butter, but I like oil, so we're going to add some oil to the bottom of the pan. And when it gets nice and hot, then we're going to add our onion and sweet pepper. We're going to add our onion and our sweet pepper. Oh, you hear that sizzle? It smells great already. And our sweet pepper is going to give a nice, beautiful array of colors and allow them to soften or saute for about a minute. Then we're going to add our peas. Our green peas are already soft, so they will cook easily. And you get a pop. The peas sometimes pop whenever they're cooking, so that way you know for sure that they're cooked. Now it's time to add our green peas. So you're going to get them all in there. They were nice and washed. Stir everything around. Oh, you can just smell this amazing aroma. And we're going to add everything else. We're going to add our salt and pepper to balance it out. And we're going to add our Bajan seasoning. So I'm going to link the video to making our Bajan seasoning in the iCards above, so you can check that out. Bajan seasoning always makes everything better. Now we allow them to saute and cook together for about 10 minutes, and then we'll check it again. It's been about 10 minutes, so we're just checking our peas. Oh, they look good. They have not all popped as yet. So we'll leave them in for another 5 to 6 minutes. So while they're doving, and I don't know why they say dove and it's spelled like the word dove, but if that's what they did, we're going to go with it. We're going to just add some butter. You know, we didn't add the butter earlier because we used the oil. We're going to add some butter. And then we're going to add some ketchup or ragu sauce if you have that. And then just allow it to continue to cook. This is a great side dish next to rice or potatoes or any kind of starch, the nice salad, and any type of protein. Or you can mix it together all in the rice and call it rice and peas, which is popular at Christmas time. Oh, it smells really good. Another 5 minutes and then it will be done. Well, they have all popped, and our dove peas ready to eat. Now it's time to plate. Our dove peas with rice done, and it smells amazing. Remember I said you can always dove your peas and cook the rice together and have peas and rice, which is a Christmas dish, or you can have the dove peas as a side dish next to the rice like we did today. Now it's time to taste. Delicious, so good. Old-time Bajans and old-time Caribbean people, they really knew how to cook. Dove peas, now you need to try it. Now if you enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes that I did with peas, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.